Hey guys, my name is David Grimm, and for my Making It Real presentation, I chose to stick with my topic of cloning being the best way to solve the loss of biodiversity caused by humans. For this project, I chose to use a website as I believe the chosen audience of the scientifically inclined will already be on the internet to discover possible solutions to global problems facing Earth today. So I wanted to make somewhat of a hub for those people, having a discussion board and various research to consult. So let's walk through my project real quick. So this is the website, and Animal Cloning to Solve Global Biodiversity Problem is the website title. So let's scroll down here. We have Dolly the sheep over here, who's the first cloned sheep ever, and next it has the welcome video. So this has Tony Stark, who, since we are the Avengers Initiative, because we are avenging the fallen animals that have died, Tony Stark here is our main person. So let's watch this video real quick. Hey guys, Tony Stark here. I have a little bit of a cold, that's why I sound like a 19-year-old college student, but I wanted to welcome the world and scientific community to our website, as we are doing a lot of work here at the Avengers Initiative to solve the global biodiversity problem facing the world today, as many keystone species are disappearing. We believe the best way is to solve the problem is to clone these keystone species to prevent ecosystems from collapsing and then reintroducing them. Anyways, feel free to reach out and get involved in the discussion and donate if you feel so inclined. Thanks, enjoy. So that's the welcome video, and we have the Patreon link down below, so people can donate if they wanted to donate to our cause. Okay, so after that Patreon link, we have an opening paragraph here talking about basically the general goal of the website and what the Avengers Initiative is. And so it's talking about how humanity has essentially caused its own destruction in killing off these keystone species that are vital to an ecosystem to survive. So next we're going to go to our first subpage, which is about keystone species and telling you what they are in essence. We have some keystone species are an organism that helps define an entire ecosystem, and without it, they can dramatically be different or cease altogether. And then it goes into the first studied keystone species, which is a sea star and the wolf in Yellowstone, and how without them, these ecosystems slowly collapsed over not even a long period of time. And so with that, the audience is supposed to feel that these keystone species are needed in an ecosystem, and that without them, the world will collapse. My next subpage is about the answer to the biodiversity problem, which is cloning. Somatic cell cloning is achieved through the use of an empty somatic cell, which is then injected with DNA and then placed in an egg cell, where inside the host the same being is being grown, thus creating a clone. With this technology, keystone species will be introduced, and this will prevent ecosystems from collapsing. So finally, my last page has to deal with reaching out, as a forum link is offered so that further discussion can continue, so that new ideas can continue to be made and flourish. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed.